Hello, I'm Nicole Horton-Johnson, Marketing and Sales Manager at Gateway Cooperative Credit Union. Now today we'll be talking about one of the biggest purchases of one's life, and that is buying a house. We'll be giving you 7 steps to secure your dream home. Before you even start planning on buying a house, the first thing you need to do is to start saving some money. You might ask, why do I need to save? I'm seeking a mortgage. Firstly, most vendors require 5 to 10% of the purchase price as down payment. There are other fees associated, such as cost to do a valuation, the cost to do your surveyor's report, other upfront costs like your title search, transfer taxes. So savings is very important. Secondly, you need to start your research early. Now, how do you do that? Check online, use social media, get recommendations from friends and family. You can even check on sites that has repossessed houses for sale. Sometimes you get some pretty good deals. In addition to doing your research, ensure you have a feature list. First, think about what you really need in a house. You might be a family of 4, 2 kids and your spouse. You might need 3 bedrooms, your bathroom, living, and all the regular amenities. And nice to have might be study room, a man cave for your husband, a gym. Do you really want that? No. Why not start with a regular starter home and you can add as you go along? Now that's good money management. Let's check out what they have inside. Hi everyone! Wow, beautiful kitchen. I love these countertops. Hi, I'm Nicole.
I'm Mr. Banks.
Nice meeting you, Mr. Banks. I'm from the credit union, giving persons tips on how to secure their dream home.
I saved up some money and I've been looking at some houses, something that would suit me. I wanted to tell me, what do I do from here?
Congratulations in saving so consistent and diligently. What you need to do is to go into your local credit union to get a pre-approval letter. You just need to submit income information to your credit union. In addition to that, your credit officer will conduct what we call a credit check or a credit assessment. It's a long-term loan, so we need to know who we're lending for 30 years. You don't think so? Exactly. Now, once that assessment is done, you'll get a pre-approval or a pre-qualifying letter. What that letter will state is how much you're qualified for based on the assessment. This will guide you when you're house hunting. So it gives you a pretty good idea as to the price range that you should be looking at.
But with all these financial agencies, how do I know which one is the best one for me?
Well, Mr. Ebanks, that's a pretty good question. There are a lot of financial institutions that offer mortgages, building societies, credit union, and you have the normal bank. What you need to do is to check out the terms and condition of the mortgage. I normally tell our members, select at least 3 financial institutions and compare their terms. Look at their interest rates, look at their fees, look at whether or not the rate is fixed or variable. Generally in Jamaica, fees ranges from 1.5 to 4% of the mortgage loan. Now at Gateway, our processing fee is 1.5%, and that's very competitive. As a matter of fact, we offer up to 100% financing at a rate of 7.4 for the duration of the mortgage. And to sweeten that deal, we also offer a 6 months moratorium. Do you know what moratorium is? Well, let me put it in layman term. It's like a loan payment holiday. So you get the loan in January, you don't start paying on your principal until June. The only requirement, yes, is to make your interest payments. Because we understand that getting a house can be challenging. Some closing costs and to furnish the house, it cannot put a dent on your income. So getting this breathing space, it's really something good.
Thank you so much, Nicole. It was indeed a pleasure. Because of you, I think I'm one step closer to making that decision.
Mr. Evans, I was happy I could help. Hey!
Hi Nicole, I'm Kashana Nelson from Century 21 Co-operative.
How exactly does a real estate agent like yourself assist in making the process a little seamless?
We ensure that there is due diligence and we check on the property to ensure that the person selling is actually authorized to do so. Property taxes have been paid and the property is registered.
Awesome.
We create a one-stop shop for all our clients. So we're able to assist you in finding an attorney, a surveyor, a valuator, and even a mortgage provider like yourself. Here at Century 21 Co-operative Properties, we welcome the opportunity to help you find that perfect home.
Thank you so much for that information, Kashana. Thank you. It was so nice meeting and talking to you. Hi. Hello. So, now that we're alone, let's talk about something a little more personal. Did you know that you can get an NHT loan to assist with financing your home? The National Housing Trust is a government-funded institution that offer mortgage loans at competitive interest rate. As a matter of fact, they offer up to $6.5 million. Say you found a house for $12 million. You can access up to $6.5 million from the National Housing Trust, and you can get the remaining $5.5 million from Gateway Credit Union. Isn't that something? At Gateway, if you combine your benefit with the National Housing Trust, you can borrow up to 90% of the value of the property. Step 6. Make an offer. Negotiate a verbal agreement with the seller on the price as well as the terms and conditions for buying the house. Then, with your lawyer and/or real estate agent, work out a signed proposal specifying all the necessary details. Now we're at the final stage in owning your own home, and that is closing the deal. But before we talk about closing the deal, let's discuss the previous steps. The first thing you need to do is to start saving early. Second, you need to do your research and make your feature list, or what we would call your must-have list. Third, get pre-approved or pre-qualified from your credit union. Fourth, compare mortgage offers. Fifth, get legal advice. 6, make an offer. And 7, close the deal. Now, what's involved in closing the deal? That's really wrapping up your transaction. So now that you have gotten everything, you have made an offer, your offer was accepted, your sales agreement was signed, you need to come in to one of our credit officers with all the relevant documents. Our in-house process takes approximately 5 working days. However, unlike a motor vehicle loan or a personal loan, a mortgage loan might take a little longer than usual. From application to disbursement, you're looking at a lead time of approximately 60 days. Now that we have gone through the steps in owning your home, we're looking forward to see you, our valued members and potential members, coming into Gateway Credit Union for your mortgage facility. Please visit our website at gatewayja.com. We have a unique feature which allows you to calculate your mortgage payment. It also allows you to state whether or not you'll be using your National Housing Trust to benefit. Once you complete that calculation, you'll be able to see your total fees and your monthly payment. Simply complete the form and submit, and you'll receive a call from one of our experienced credit officers within 24 to 48 hours. Looking forward to serving you. Gateway, opening the way to your financial success.